Oh, I never wanna be. So don't be so mad. I know that it's easier said than done, and it feels like it's hopeless. I'm begging, please hold on. Maybe the reason tossing and turning is 'cause I'm scared one day you won't reply.
Closing! Say bye!
Bye! In Japanese, okay?
Para ma-celebrate mo yung birthday mo.
Saan ka punta? Matutulog. Manonood ng movie.
Yan,
the
tama.
Best, celebration.
Yep. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to me. Ano ba? Si Emma ba? Takot ba sa akin? Or polite lang siya? Ano, bakit? Sabi ko, ay, nandiyan lang yung bahay ko kaysa ano.
Pucha. Lapit mo naman.
So, paano na? Bye-bye! Bye!
Bawa ko na. Bye-bye, ate. Paingat. Baka maligo ka. May message ulit. Mami Shane, thank you so much. Napabuntong hininga.
Ay, search natin kung magkano yung Uber papunta sa inyo.
Sabi ko, ang dami kasing order. Sabi na, okay lang. Gusto kasi namin ng peanut. May magagawa ko pa sabi ko. Kanina pa bulong ng bulong sa akin si ate. Yan yan.
Wait. What do you like about this girl? I mean, there's like a lot of things. I'd probably start with.
I like the way she smiles. She got me staring for a while. Got me staring for a while. Yeah. Baby, it's our conversation. She's my favorite notification. She knows how to dress for special occasions. She got me thinking life could be better. These songs start to feel like love letters.
Ate, usok check. Kita ba? Usok check. Grabe, ang lamig, boy. Naninigas yung kamay ko. Pero lampak eh. Saan ko kaya mapapakita na umuusok talaga? Yun. Lamig, gago. Di kita. Sayang naman. Yun lang. Bye.
Bye ka muna sa vlog.
Luma na. Ito pala.
Di ba nakapag-tour ka pa? May batang naliligaw.
Hi guys. Hala, ang saya niya.
Naka-Google Maps. Check.
Tastes like honey, call me hurricane. Waking up to the sun when I'm out again. I didn't let it take me when the pieces fell out of place.
Taray, pagod na yan.
Going up.
Pag sa train. Hello! Hello. Cheese! Kanina pa yan eh. Ano ba in-order mo? Pwede hindi yan. Library. Wala be, kaya mo yan. Hey, it's the library here.
Wait. What do you like about this girl? I mean, there's like a lot of things. I'd probably start with...
I like the way she smiles. She got me staring for a while. Got me staring for a while. Yeah. Baby, it's our conversation. She's my favorite notification. She knows how to dress for special occasions. She got me thinking life could be better. These songs start to feel like love letters. I should tell her now what I ever. It is what it is, and whatever. I'm telling you now, it's whatever. I'm telling you now, it's whatever. She keeps me close. In the friend zone? Yeah, but I don't mind it too much though. Why? If my feelings don't show, say it ain't something you should know that I've been saying. No, maybe you're the one I've been looking for so long.
1,000 lang binayaran.
She got me thinking life could be better.
Kaya pala gumaganyan-ganyan ka dito. Bawal yan.
Pagod na daw kasi si Madam. Kaya inuwi na niya.
Ganyan pala trip mo dito. Ayan, pwede ka dyan ganyan na retail. Tinitiin mo nga kung talaga.
It's only you'll leave me back to you. That maybe all I need. But darling, she's all I see. Come caress your boots with me. Driving slow on something falling. I never wanna leave. Oh.
Taray! Eh!
Huwag ka naman tumabi sa akin. Town hall niya. Kakaano mo ba lang dito? Town hall? Ang namin.
Guys, malamig.
Hindi, ano ka pa?
Kasi ang plano, siya ang pala nakikidnapin. Ang dami niyang kasama.
Sinabi ko
Nasira
isa
ang
ka lang,
plano.
ha?
Ako na lang papasok.
Ikaw na lang talaga.
I don't know. Maybe.
Eh. Nasaan ako? Eto ko. Hello. Gago ka. Ano? Nag-emote ako, wala pala sa... Wow, parang ano lang, ha?
Parang may butterfly sa tummy ko. Alam mo yung feeling ka nun?
Ate, tinharap ka sa akin. Parang ano, nakakatakot yung glass. Yung glass yung nakakatakot. Oh, take me home. Taray. 3? 4 ba yan? Hi guys!
Tayo?
Dilibre mo kami.
Tikim lang tayo. Dalawa.
Bumili na.
Balik ka.
Last na tayo. Bibili ka din?
Titikim ako ate. Hindi eh.
Ano bibili ka? Pwede mag-taste. Pwede ba? Baliw na baliw sila ano, diba?
Sino? Si Sono.
Oo.
Teka lang.
Try ko na yung salted caramel. Sarap.
Napaka-creamy.
Nag-card ako eh.
Pero yung loob niya.
Mahal daw yung ganyan dito.
Oo nga. Kaya pag-pili ko meron akong internet.
Ang liit.
Ay. Taray.
Sino?
Ay. Taray. Ay.
Breastfeed na
Hey. A day well spent.
Gave